see me?
Yes, I can see you and I can hear you also. What about in my side?
Yes, I can see you. Okay, let's just get started. Okay, hello, hi. What's your name? Because I on your channel or anywhere somewhere I couldn't see your name. What's your name?
Okay, not issue. So first of all, just tell me, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm also doing fantastic. Okay, just let me introduce myself. Well, my name is Amansi Bajpayee. I belong to India and my YouTube channel name is English Rose 27. If I talk about my education, of course, I have done my master's subject of English literature from India University, and that's all about me. And I'm also English a trainer. I'm teaching since 2021 last December.
Okay, that's great. So yeah, I guess we were planning to meet since long time, but we couldn't
Yeah,
catch up due to the time constraint. Like sometime I am busy, sometime you are busy. So yeah,
yeah.
today
Actually, you know what? Now I don't have a time at a morning in a morning, so
me
that's
too.
why.
Yeah, I'm saying it's similar to me. Like in morning, like I am also working. That's why.
Okay, not an issue. Okay, tell me yourself.
Okay. Actually, I am an engineer by profession. I am currently working as a design engineer. I'm from Pakistan, Islamabad. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, so you are engineer. So in which field?
I am a mechanical engineer.
Mechanical engineering.
Yeah,
Okay, so what have you done as an education?
it's like Bachelor of Engineering.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, not issue. So why are you learning this language? Is there any reason behind? Yeah, your passion. Yeah, you like it. Why?
To be honest, you can say I am passionate about it. Like in the past, I was also teaching this language. In a COVID time, I had few students. I was teaching them. But these days, like I don't have any student anymore, so I thought like I should start my YouTube channel and making videos related to English language. So my channel name is Guide to English, where I upload English conversational videos, reading comprehension, and then grammar lesson. So that's
But you
all.
mentioned me, no? You are engineer. Then how to manage your time? You are working, no?
Yeah.
Then
So
how to manage your time?
usually I make a video in the evening time or in the night time, or usually on the weekends. Whenever I get free time on weekend, I record a session or I make a video for my channel. You can say I'm not working full time. You can say it's just my hobby, or you can say just doing it as a part time.
Okay, okay, well done. So is there any question in your mind do you want to ask
Yeah,
me?
I
Yeah, sure.
wanted to know, like, I have gone through your YouTube channel, so I just wanted to know, like, when did you start your YouTube channel? What type of videos do you really make? And you, as you also mentioned, like you are also working in a daytime. So how do you manage your routine?
Actually, that is my work. I'm an English trainer, as I mentioned you. So I provide a YouTube on a YouTube educational video like English regarding all videos belong to English, how to improve your fluency, how to get confidence in English. These all are videos I upload on my YouTube channel. That's it. And if we talk about the time, how to manage my time, so of course I am also preparing of the government exam also. So sometimes it's very difficult to me how to manage these things, but I am active on that platform. So I take out.
So I can say you are working as a full time here, right?
No, no, no. It's not a full time. I run my batches at evening and morning to noon. I am free.
So I in the morning till evening, what's your routine? I mean.
Routine is that it's a daily regular. I just focus to my study. As I mentioned you, I'm preparing of the government exam, so that's a take a time. So on that time, I'm studying, and when I got that when I get the free times, of course, I record a session and for my YouTube channel because most of the videos for the English regarding, so I have to upload on myself. And the second thing is that the conversation video, it's a conversation with video is not my task. I have to upload. This is not my main motive, but I want to connect to people because I want to enhance my fluency also. That's it. I want to connect the people.
Okay, that's great. So, in terms of English, like as you mentioned, you make videos related to English language. So, what type of videos do you really make? Like, there are conversational videos, and what are the other topics of your videos?
It solely depend on the topic, the grammar topic, vocabulary, idiom phrases, and the motivational videos regarding the English. That's all things. I know conversational too.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
So, like, mm, do you think like learning this language, English, like what are the challenges that usually people of your area faces these days? Like as you mentioned, you are a trainer also. So what do you think? Like what are the challenges that people are facing these days in your area? Like let's say someone wants to learn this language.
Of course,
So
actually, if they are not belong to city area, yeah, atmosphere, we can say that English areas. Of course, they are facing the lots of problems while speaking English. So, of course, but they will work. So they will be improve themselves. So there's a no any main issue. And if I am teaching in my institute, so if two and three students are coming in my institute and they ask me, "Ma'am, what I have to do, I have done my all syllabus, I have done my all vocabulary, but I'm unable to speak in English. So what I have to do the next step?" So of course, when I said on that people, you have to motivate yourself because that is a very important thing. If you have a confidence, then you are able to speak in English in front of to anyone. Okay, you know what happened with us? We have a lots of knowledge, but we are unable to speak a single sentence just because of the problem of the confidence. So first of all, you should amass the confidence, and when you collect the confidence, of course, you will be able to speak in English. And the challenges, that is a task, that is a new work for us. So in the starting time, we face our challenges. That is a naturality. That's the human being. We all are facing a challenge. Even I am also made a mistake in my conversation. So that is not the issue. Just accept your challenge and face them.
okay, that's great. So as you mentioned, like the confidence is really important and it's really a key. So what do you think, like what are the important tips and tricks to gain confidence while learning this language?
I think practice is more necessary to gain a confidence. Okay, because you know what, when we are unable to practice, so how can we get a confidence? Okay, so first you should build up yourself as a practice. Oh, and start the practicing a lot. And when you collect a lots of knowledge, confidence automatically gain. You should start the practicing. You should start a speaking more and more. Don't think like that what the other are thinking about you, because that's not your work. Your work is that you have to improve yourself. Okay, then speak up whenever, whatever, and wherever you want to. Just speak up. Okay, and when you try to speak in front of two people, so of course you gain a confidence. And once you gain a confidence, you will be able to speak. That's the thing.
Okay, that's great. So you are teaching online to students or do you have any coaching center or something
Yeah,
like
of
that?
course, this is an institute, this is a coaching center.
Okay, that's great. So yeah, that's all my question now. It's your turn if you wanted to ask any question. You
Yeah,
can
of
ask
course. I
me.
would like to ask a question. Actually, I don't want to ask any questions about the English. Okay, because there's a lots of sessions available on the English, so it's no need. And we are belong to different country. You belong to Pakistan. I belong to India. So most of the things I would like to ask you, what I would like to know about yourself, like that. What is your opinion about the India? Because there's a lots of misconceptions. There's a lots of things. Okay, and they are thinking like that India is not a good country. As your side member, in my side member, Pakistan is not a good country. That's a very controversial thing. Then I'm very curious about it. What is your opinion?
Okay, so I would say like even if you go to my YouTube channel, All of the videos, conversational videos I have made up
Yeah,
till
yeah.
now.
Next question is that I would like to ask the next question also like that.
Yeah, like you can say, I have lot of friends from India. Like all the session that I have already taken are with Indian people up till now. There are around 60 plus videos on my channel, and all of them are with the Indian people. Only one video is with one Pakistani guy. So you can say I have lot of friends from India. So for me, there is no such barrier and no such kind of hate. So I think like they are my friend as well. We all belong to a same continent. So for me, there is, you can say, no hate. It's just like a friendship of my own country and friendship of my own friends, like within my country.
Okay, so the next question, as you mentioned, you have a lots of video. You have also uploaded a lots of video on your YouTube channel with the Indian people. Okay, so in my side, have you heard any music?
There is a bit, but it's okay. You can continue.
Okay, you know what? In my outside, the someone has a birthday, so celebration is started.
Okay,
So that's why.
okay, okay.
I guess so, not an issue. So that what I'm saying. Why you are making a lots of video with the Indian people? I think in the Pakistan there's a lots of number who are also containing a lots of video like that. So you have a personal like to conversation with the India, yeah.
No, it's not like that. You can say I have some friends there, so they are making, you can say, similar content like us, conversational video, or they wanted to practice with other people from a different part of the country, so different part of the world. So that's why I make videos with them. So,
Not much.
so yeah, the voice is getting so loud. I guess we can wrap up.
Yeah, actually song is running. So
Okay, then we can, I guess, connect later because you have to go outside, I guess, for the
no, no,
celebration.
I don't have to go outside. I don't have to, but yeah, noise is happening. So
Yeah,
maybe that is problem for the view on a YouTube.
yes, we can have another session maybe later on whenever you get time or whenever I get free because I usually make session in the evening or night time, and you also have a similar kind of schedule, so we can have upcoming session later on.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you for your time. Take care. Bye
Okay,
bye.
same to you. Have a good night.
Yeah, good night.